Alright, so I think our devised plan is we tied a chain to a tree and we're gonna see if this gets us out. We first had an idea about a chainsaw, but that wasn't a good idea. See, there's a chain running there to the tree. Then there's another chain to his guy. Let's see what we get. Alright, so we're using that tree as a pulley from the Toyota way back behind. Oh, we don't want that to happen. That crack was that winch. Winch. Man, it is coming down.
I know. It was already 9 inches or so.
There we come on, baby. I hope that cable doesn't break. Come on, baby. Oh, no. That's not what we wanted.
That's the wrong way.
There you go. Come on, baby. We can get this out. Come on, Chris. I love his little windshield wipers. I usually see front with.
Is his frame still on the bike?
Not. It's well. It's off a bit.
But only a bit.
It's like that much.
It's about 2 inches.
His frame is off the ground that much now. So I don't really know if we're better, but.
This one now. Not on your own. I mean, that's the
Man, it's getting slick too.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it slid down more. The frame's not on. That's where it was.
I agree. You got them bars out right there. You might be able to get a road going like that way. That'd be the easiest way if you can miss that big rock right there.
You gotta miss that big rock though.
All he's got to do is make a bite. Go right at the top of it. Yeah.
Man, I wish I'd charged this thing all the way, but it's still good. So that didn't work. We're gonna keep planning for other options.